Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I am Constance. Thank you for joining us in another episode of our English classes. In this lesson we're going to be talking about the word verdant, right? Verdant. I have two words here. I have verdant and I have vagrant. But the word that we will be dealing with, is verdant, not vagrant, all right? Not vagrant, verdant. Vagrant means a beggar, and verdant means anything that is green, including a human being. It is an adjective, right? And an adjective is used what? To describe something or a person or a place. So, verdant, unripe in knowledge, unsophisticated, raw, green as a youth or as a countryside. Raw, green as a youth or as a countryside. So that is the meaning of the word verdant. You're learning two words here today, verdant and vagrant. Vagrant means a beggar, a person who is poor and is begging. All right? So verdant, a unripe in knowledge, unsophisticated, raw, green as a youth, or as a countryside. So why a youth? A youth is not mature enough or have the understanding or the knowledge of how to probably behave or have proper mannerism. So like pick his boogers and just do just about anything and say anything without considering the next person. It doesn't show much respect for a next person or a situation. So here we have the word verdant in some sentences that will help you bring home the point or understanding of the word much better. Alright, number one we have, I think these sentences are very long, but it will also help you to understand complicated sentences. Since many animals build their habitat in the verdant rainforest, of the world, forest rangers must take strict actions to prevent interference by humans. Interference by human. So the word verdant here, which means what? Green. That's the main word, that's the main meaning of the word verdant. Green. It means something green and a person that is green or unlearned. Or you would say as an apprentice. Alright, so that person doesn't have enough knowledge. Alright, number two. After 3 weeks of rain, the backyard became verdant and lush with grass. After 3 weeks of rain, the backyard became verdant and lush with grass. So verdant, it became what? Green. Number three. David was very happy to see the verdant hillsides of his hometown after returning from overseas. So here we have, it is given a description of the hillside. David was very happy to see the verdant hillsides of his hometown after returning from overseas. So the hillsides are what? Green and lush, right? Because that is the meaning of the word verdant. Vagrant is to beg. Verdant is something green. Whether you're green in color or in knowledge or the tree is green. It's talking about anything that is green. Number 4, his teacher called him a verdant. His teacher called him a verdant artist, right? His teacher called him a verdant artist because his paintings did qualify for the competition. So if he's a verdant artist, that means he's not very what? Experienced. He's an apprentice. He's not very experienced in painting. Alright, he doesn't know to mix the common colors, right? Or the compound colors, or the primary colors, or the secondary colors. He doesn't know how to mix that to get the pictures that he's probably wants, or the picture is supposed to looks like. So his teacher called him a verdant artist because his painting didn't qualify for the competition. Let's look at number 5. My neighbor's garden is always lush and verdant. Lush and verdant. Although I had never seen him watering the plants. My neighbor's garden is always lush and verdant, although I had never seen him watering the plants. So you can see how we can use verdant in the atmosphere and also with a person. Alright, you are describing a person as being green. So that person is not very experienced. They're an apprentice. You haven't gotten enough training or enough skill. Alright, so you can describe them as being verdant, a verdant teacher, verdant doctor. Right, he hasn't gone through enough surgeries or bedside manners, so you call him a verdant. Remember, they sound alike, they almost sound alike and almost spelled alike. So verdant is something green, and vagrant is to beg. That's a beggar. Alright, so look at them, these sentences, and figure out how to use the word verdant in your own sentences. Alright, and also you can also create some sentences with the word vagrant as well. But our focus is the word verdant, which means green or unsophisticated, untrained, or unlearned. Alright, so this is it for this class. My name is Constance. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and also hit the notification bell so whenever I post a video, you will be the first to have it. Also, check the description box below for my merch, for my books on Amazon.com, and to connect with me on other social media sites. Alright, once again, my name is Constance, and I look forward to you joining me in my next class. Until then, bye-bye.